What is up, guys? To another site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Gmail to your n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n and then you need to create a new workflow. After that, you need to choose this trigger manually and then you need to click on this plus icon and search for Gmail. After searching for Gmail, you need to click on this Gmail button and then let's say I want to add label to a message, and after that I will click on select credential and then create new credential. After that, here I need the client ID and the client secret. Now to get the client ID and the client secret, I will head over to the Google Cloud Console, and from here I will create a new project. So on the left side, I'll click on this button and then click on new project. After clicking on new project, I'll give the project name as Gmail n8n, and after that I will just give a space and hit enter. After that, I'll click on create, or as you can see, the OAuth client or my new project has been created. So from here in the notifications, I can see the project has been created. I'll select this project, and after selecting this project, here you can see the Gmail n8n project has been selected. Now from here on the left side, you need to click on this navigation menu, head over to APIs and services, and then click on OAuth consent screen. After that, in the OAuth consent screen, you need to click on get started. After clicking on get started, here you will need to just enter your app name, and let's say I am giving it like this. And after that, in the user support email, you need to enter your email, then click on next. After that, you need to click on external here in the audience, then click on next again, and then paste it here in the email address section, and I'll hit next. After that, I'll check this checkbox, click on continue, and click on create. After clicking on create, here in the new page, you will see the notification, and in the new page, you will see the Create OAuth Client button. Click on this Create OAuth Client, and from here, you can create your own authentication client. So from here in the application type, you need to choose web application, and then you need to name your web client or web application. Now in the authorized redirect URLs, you need to enter a URL. So head back to n8n, copy this URL and press Ctrl C to copy it. Head back to Google Console and paste this, and after pasting this URL, you need to click on create to create the URL. And after that, as you can see, this is the client ID. So just copy the client ID, head back to n8n and paste the client ID. Now the client secret, head back to Google Console. Here you can see the client secret, copy the client secret, head back to n8n and paste the client secret. After that, you just need to sign in with your email account in with Google and then click on save to save your credential. As you can see, the credential has been successfully created, and after signing in with Google, your Gmail will be connected to your n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.